So now that my article is in Cami, I am now ready to annotate. And I have a whole bunch of different tools. You can just click this and like select text, and select things. And then they have highlighting tools. They have all these different colors. And they have two different types. So they have the text highlighter where I can, highlight text and it'll highlight it. Or I have a box highlighter where I could do something like this and make a box, right? All these different colors. They also have, you're probably not going to use strike throughs, but they have underlines, so I can change it to black. And then let's say I come down here and I want to underline this. There it goes, it underlines. But the thing you're probably going to be using the most are these comment boxes. So I could go, right here and make a comment box and say, this is super interesting, or whatever you're going to comment. The other thing you can do is, let's say I want to add a comment to this. I just kind of hover over it, and then I come up and I click this bubble, and it starts a comment. And I say, this is the article's main point. So now we have all these annotations, and you can annotate the whole document. And it's super easy.